What's good, everyone? I just wanted to drop in. This is your cousin Angela. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful evening or have enjoyed their day, should I say, on this great Saturday evening as we close on a Saturday evening. It is frigid cold where I am. The temperatures actually dropped to like 30 below zero the last 3 or 4 days. And so now they're saying that we're gonna get more snow. More snow. And they're also saying that the temperatures are gonna be in the single digits. Honey, I'm not even ready for that. But listen, I didn't want you guys to think that I forgot about you. I'm gonna be sharing some links underneath this video. As many of you know, as I told you, I'm a celebrity artist management. I also book concerts nationwide. When I book these concerts, I also travel with the artist to make sure that I'm meeting the artists with their management. Some artists don't have management, they represent themselves. So, with that being said, we have a page we've started over on Patreon for Randy Gill. As many of you know, he's the singer, one of the members of the lead singer of the group To the Extreme 90s R&B group. He's also the oldest brother of Johnny Gill. So, and then in 2 weeks, we're off to Vegas with New Edition residency tour. So I will take you guys along when I do these shows. I also work the backdrop sometimes for the recording, the videos, and things like that. You guys will be able to see the meet and greets and see. There's a lot of artists that come and support our shows that are behind the scenes that we're not allowed to tell you guys about. And you actually don't know that they're there. Even if you purchase a ticket, you actually don't even know if they're there until after the show and Randy's live or I'll go live and you'll be able to see those artists that have come out on the road to support us. Listen, I don't know who needs to hear this, but I want you guys to know that whatever you're going through, this includes myself. We all have our days of um, just not feeling our greatest. We're kind of down and out, or we're just feeling overwhelmed or stressed out or whatever. Whoever this is for, including myself, don't give up on your visions. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals, all that in one. Stay the course. The enemy always likes to steal our joy. It's not about him, it's about us, God's chosen one. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we have to get that word from someone else to continuously help us to be encouraged, motivated, and uplifted, right? So, as on my food channel, Angela Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasonings here on YouTube, and I'll put that link below this video as well. I always close my videos with telling people to pick up the phone, call someone, let them know that you love them today. People often get upset with one another, whether we're family, friends, or honey, as the commercial say on the corner of Heart and Healthy for the Walgreens commercial. Honey, I'll tell you in a minute, pick up the phone and call someone. I don't care if it's your co-worker, your church member. Honey, it could be the lady at the stop sign with the little blue dog. We don't even know what her name is, child. Go over there and pick up the phone and tell somebody you love them. Let them know, hey, I was just thinking about you. Are you okay? You're not trying to indulge in their personal business, but you're just trying to let them know that you're thinking about them. Okay? Because we're too busy and we're too old to be holding grudges. I always say we don't have time to be bitter with people or to hold grudges or to be angry because the next time we hear from someone, maybe that call letting us know that such and such is going on home to glory, right? And we don't want to receive that call. So if it takes us to put our music in our ears to calm us down, because music to me is very therapeutic. That's why I enjoy being in the music industry. For one, I get to travel, I get to meet the celebrity artists, and I get to enjoy myself, because we're family away from our families at home, right? And we have a darn good time when we out here on this road traveling and doing these concerts. We be laughing, we be getting our dance in. And then when the show is over, sometimes people have the meet and greet, the artists meet and greet with their fans. And for some of the artists that don't do meet and greet, we go back to the hotel, we get undressed, we go eat. Because we don't stay at the Red Roof. We ain't got time for the no baby. We stay at the 5-star hotels, and we go downstairs to the bar, get something to drink, get some wings or fries or whatever, and that's what we do. We enjoy ourselves. So listen, I always want to bring you guys behind the scenes of me, no matter what I do. Now, tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be in the kitchen recording more of my YouTube videos. And what I might do, I've been thinking about this today. What I might do is drop a little snippet here, like a little small video showing you guys my plate. but for the entire video, you would have to go to YouTube and get it. I'm also going to be creating a Patreon for my channel as well. But right now, you can see me over on YouTube at Angela Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasoning. So you can just search that or click on the link below this video. But look, I'm going to be coming live on here. I'm just waiting for YouTube to approve me to come live on here because I think you have to have so many subscribers, like 500 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken. Honey, it's been so long. I don't know because I'm already at 15,500 on my YouTube channel, my Food Network channel. You know, the food channel here. So I can't wait to be able to go live and to interact and to see what you guys. And I have some other videos that I want to do a reaction to. It's so many things I want to do here. So I hope that you guys enjoy me coming in and just dropping in to say hello. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I love you. And I also want to share some ways that how you can make money too here on YouTube. I'll be sharing that with you guys too. I'm actually in the process on my third YouTube channel. It's a faceless YouTube channel that I'm working on. Honey, wherever the dollar sign is, cousin Angie trying to go where the dollars is. You understand what I'm saying, baby? Listen, honey, we have 6 kids, my husband and I, and we have 2 grandchildren. Both of our grandbabies are a year old. We're new grandparents. So both of our, well, first time grandparents, should I say that? And both of our grandbabies just turned a year old a couple of months ago. And we have a granddaughter and we have a grandson. And I just love, 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 love spoiling them, love enjoying loving on them. And just, you know, being grandma. I don't know how to be grandma. So my way of being a grandma, as I told my mom and my sisters back home and my husband, is like my husband said, we just love them unconditionally the way we've loved ours. And like I said, honey, we got grown children, okay? My youngest daughter will be 18 this year in May. And then my youngest son will be 20. My daughter will be my second in line oldest daughter. She will be, God darn it, how old she gonna be? Oh, child, she gonna be 22. Yeah, she gonna be 20. No, hell, she won't. Hold on, Amari gonna be 20. Kira gonna be 21. Child, that is. So my second in line oldest daughter or third in line oldest daughter, she gonna be 21. Child, I told you we got 6 kids. Okay, I got 4 girls and 2 boys. So, honey, cousin Angie ain't got no time, and I'm about to go back on the road, okay? Because I got these shows coming up. So, I'm so excited. I'll be in Vegas in 2 weeks for the New Edition residency tour. Um, Next weekend, I believe it is. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me next weekend. If it's God's will, they let me be able to record in there. Next weekend, I'll be at the show. I'll be attending the what we gonna be at now? Oh, the Ricky Smiley show. So I hope they'll be able to let me record in there. I'm not sure. I've done some videos where I recorded in there, like I recorded the Regina Bell. I'll upload a picture here. Myself and Regina Bell. I'll upload a picture here of myself and Freddie Jackson. And I'll try to upload the videos that we did at the casino. And the photos, of course, will be with us behind the scenes after the show. So, but the entire show, I'll try to upload it on this channel. Okay. So, I don't want to get copyrighted, but going forward, just know that anything that I do when it comes to Johnny Gill, Randy Gill, New Edition, To the Extreme, you guys Google that. I'll be dropping their videos on here too because I am their manager, To the Extreme. And anything Randy Gill, New Edition, Johnny Gill, all of them, I have legal permission. And so I'll be making sure I put my disclaimers on here. Now, I am not Johnny Gill's manager. I am not New Edition's manager, but I do have legal rights to use their material. Simple fact, because we're all in the group as one. I'm Randy Gill's manager, who is the oldest brother of Johnny Gill, who is the member of the 90s R&B group To the Extreme. So, yeah, anything that I put here, I have legal rights to use, and I'll be putting up my disclaimers so that I won't get in any trouble. So I'm not worried about all that because the music industry, people in the industry, when I use their content and put my disclaimers, should something go wrong, they'll just come and validate it through YouTube. But anyway, child, honey, I'm gonna go on there and make me some southern breast tenderloin, and I think I'm gonna roast me some potatoes in my Ninja 6-in-1 grill. But I can't wait till they let me go live on here. So I'll be able to come on and interact with you guys. But I'm going to be doing some cool things and we're all going to have some good vibes here on this channel. And and just enjoy one another. And I'm going to be taking you on a road trip that is planning coming up. I can't wait. God is actually blessing me with so many things that I'm grateful. But like I said, I want you guys to remain encouraged, be uplifted, be inspired, be motivational. And like I said at the beginning of this, no matter what you're going through, anyone is going through, including myself, sometimes it can become overbearing, too much pressure, too much stress. And sometimes we be trying to like, Lord, I can't do this. It's too much on me. And sometimes it just comes to a point where we don't know how to adapt to the pressure. So sometimes God will step in. I'm not going to say sometimes, but God always steps in, and He will. My personal belief, I can't tell you what you believe in, but my personal belief is that God always uses other people as a vessel to be a blessing to you. He'll give you a word through them. And oftentimes we be like, okay, all right. But then if that person keeps talking to you, I always tell people, God is speaking. God is speaking. For someone to keep telling you something, God is speaking. He's choosing them as a vessel to be a blessing unto you, to give you the word that He's sending you. You understand? So I'm grateful for every blessing that God has blessed myself, my family with. Um, and I just can't wait to just be able to share everything with you guys from behind the scenes and everything that we're doing, all of our live events that we're doing on the road with New Edition and everyone. I will drop the Patreon link here in case anyone wants to join us, because everything that we do when we go live, it'll be through Patreon. Okay, so and I'll also drop the YouTube channels for them as well. So I look forward to meeting you all. Like coming on live here and interacting with you guys. We're gonna have laughter, love, uplifting guidance, motivation, encouragement. Honey, we're gonna do videos, fun videos. We're gonna do so much on this channel. I'll share with you other ways that you can help yourself become financially independent on your own. Everything doesn't work for everyone. But if you are willing and able to put one step forward, one foot forward, and try to learn and listen from people, you can make money from home. I will share ways how you can make money right here on YouTube. Never have to leave in your home. Never have to leave your home. And like I said, this will be my third YouTube channel that I'm working on. Not here. This is my second one, but there's a third one I'm working on. And so I'll be able to share information with you guys, those of you that are interested. And if you are interested, just leave me a message below to say, hey, I'm interested in learning more about how to become a YouTube content creator and make money from home. Okay. Listen, honey, cousin Angie can't wait to come back over here. And I'm gonna be dropping some videos, child. We're gonna have some love and laughter videos over here. Do you understand? We're gonna have some love and laughter videos over here. And what do you mean by that, cousin Angie? Connie, I'm glad you don't dare go and ask me, child. Child, I'm gonna be uploading these videos, and we're gonna do some you wanna call it them video reaction, child. We better have some fun. You understand what I'm saying? I got some funny videos and I cannot wait to share them with you. All right. Well, listen, honey, y'all go on and have a great evening. Check on your loved ones. And for those of you who like, living somewhere like where we are, where it's harsh and cold, and I mean harsh and cold, child, they closed school here for 2 days straight. The wind chill was 30 below zero. The actual temp for the day was -1. I said, oh, they lie. I know you damn lying. I know you lying. The weather lady said the actual temp for today, the high we gonna get today is a -1. I said, did she just say the high? I know you lying, sis. That ain't no high. That's the low. And she said, but the wind chills aren't gonna be that bad. They're only gonna be 30 below zero. What the hell you just say? They not gonna be that bad. Child, listen, honey. I was on the phone with Randy Gill. So I called Randy. And he said, how's it going, mama? I said, baby, you ain't watching the weather over here where we live. And he was like, shit, I seen it. He said, shit, that's why I ain't never coming that way. You had to book concerts over there in the summertime. Because goddamn it, y'all freezing. I said, freezing. And then the kids was like, can you get such and such from the store? So you want me go out there in that snow? Girl, you know you lied. Girl, how about Cousin Angie picked up that goddamn phone? I said, better yet, honey, let me get my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I picked that damn thing up, honey, went on Instacart. Yes, I did. I sure damn did. And tipped them very well. I understand you out there working, but let me help you put a little something in your pocket, baby. God bless you and your service. And that's one thing I always tell people. Thank you for your service, because people don't have to be grateful to us. You understand? Child, I ain't got time to go out there. You said 30 below zero. That's what I had heard y'all say on the news, the meteorologist. Girl, I know you lying shit. I ain't going out there. You damn right, honey. I did like mama and grandma them. Honey got some of them old sheets and things. And, put them around the doors, the door frame, the sliding door, the front door, the windows, whatever you got, with the air coming through. Because the way I had checked it out, baby, we pay light bill. And I'm trying to keep the lights on, but you can't let the heat be slipping from us in the door. So you gotta, you know, cover under the door and all that kind of good stuff so the cold air won't come in. Child, the next day she gonna come in there with a weather alert on TV. All the channels got the weather alert. The high today is 0. What the hell y'all keep talking about some damn high? It's cold as hell. What the high? Baby, when you say high, I be thinking, you mean, like over 20, over 30 degrees, because it's still cold in. Girl, y'all said the high temp for the day was gonna be 0. Excuse my way, but bitches, you crazy. That is cold. That ain't no high. That's the low. The wind chills today is gonna be a negative 32. It won't be so bad, but the wind chill are dangerous. How the hell you say it ain't gonna be so bad? Shit, I was in here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm working from home, which that is how I book these shows, from home, honey. And we getting it in. That's what Cuzn. I ain't going outside. I ain't going nowhere. I'm be right here in this condominium. Do you understand what I'm saying? Shit, Cuzn ain't working it out for you, baby. Me and my iPad and my phone, we gonna be working it out, baby. That's what we do. So when y'all decide, when the good Lord decide, gonna get a little warmer, maybe we can have a conversation about going outside. Right now, Cuzn Angie ain't going outside till it's time to get on that flight and fly out. All right. Well, listen, honey, I will see y'all again soon. I'm gonna upload a funny video, and I can't wait to be able to go live on here so I can react with you guys and have fun. All right. So you guys take care. Have a wonderful evening. Remember, pick up the phone and tell someone you love them today, because none of us never know when it's our last day here on God's earth. So never take anything for granted. Never take anyone for granted, because at the end of the day, my mother and I, my sisters, we always talk about this. You never know when you got to go back over that bridge and ask somebody to help. And what I mean by that terminology is, you never use people. You never take people for granted. You never, ever, ever do that in life, because none of us know when you got to go backwards. When I say go over that bridge, meaning you got to go backwards to ask someone for help. All right? Listen, have a wonderful evening. Pick up that phone, tell someone you love them. If you don't want to tell them, honey, just say, hey, I was just thinking about you. How are you doing? You were on my mind. You ain't got to have a long, drawn out conversation, baby. But be great to yourself. Because listen, we're not here on earth by ourselves. This is God's reasoning. We are God's children. He chose us. Every day there's a new blessing ahead for us. Okay? So we have to be mindful that in order to receive that blessing, you have to be a blessing, right? Okay. All right. Cuzn Angie, look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Have a wonderful evening. Stay warm. And if they told you it's going to be the high today and it's in the single digits, child, you heard what I told you. You better stay in that damn house. That's what I'm trying to told you. All right. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.